The 2025 Audi Q7 stands as a bold fusion of innovation and elegance, embodying the brand's commitment to progressive luxury. Clad in a stunning bright white finish, this modified version glows under the natural light of a premium, contemporary showroom. The backdrop, a polished floor, is reflecting its sleek lines, and a minimalist yet high-end environment that complements the Q7's refined presence. From the first glance, the redesigned front fascia with its wider grille, slimmer matrix LED headlights, and aggressive lower intakes signal a fresh, futuristic evolution while staying true to Audi's distinctive DNA. From the rear, the Q7 makes a confident statement with sculpted lines, a clean chrome strip connecting the redesigned taillights, and a new rear diffuser that subtly emphasizes its sporty character. The back view showcases its wide stance and perfectly integrated dual exhausts, lending it an assertive, powerful look. The overall design is both muscular and elegant, appealing to those who want presence without pretension. Step inside, and the interior is where the Audi Q7 truly pushes the envelope. The cabin offers a sanctuary of sophistication with premium leather upholstery, real wood inlays, brushed aluminum accents, and ambient lighting that can be customized to suit every mood. The dual-screen MMI touch response system dominates the center console, delivering crisp visuals and responsive controls for navigation, media, and climate. Audi's Virtual Cockpit Plus ensures that the driver has all critical information within a glance, rendered in higher-resolution graphics that are both beautiful and functional. Performance-wise, the 2025 Q7 impresses with a finely tuned mild hybrid powertrain, available in multiple configurations, including a 3.0-liter V6 turbocharged engine paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. It offers smooth acceleration, responsive handling, and improved fuel efficiency. The Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures stability and traction in all road conditions, while adaptive air suspension delivers a ride that's both composed and dynamic. Whether it's urban cruising or highway touring, the Q7 strikes an excellent balance between comfort and agility. What makes this model especially attractive is its tech-laden environment and safety features. From predictive active safety systems to advanced parking assistance and 360-degree cameras, it's designed to anticipate and support the driver's every need. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system, and multiple USB-C ports cater to modern digital lifestyles, ensuring passengers stay connected and entertained. In a world increasingly shaped by innovation and design, the 2025 Audi Q7 stands out not just as a luxury SUV, but as a bold statement of future-forward motoring. Whether admired for its commanding appearance in a luxury showroom or appreciated for its advanced engineering on the road, the Q7 continues to set benchmarks in its class.